Hey guys, what's going on? Josh Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just walking outside to grab the mail and I'm expecting a check from ClickBank for right around $4,000. So I'm gonna have you guys come along for the ride. It's a little walk, I guess, down to the mailbox back there. So we're gonna walk down and we're gonna take a look and see if this check is here. This is actually my second check from ClickBank. And also in this video, I'm gonna break down to you exactly how I made near $4,000 on ClickBank and received a check straight from them later in this video. But let's show you guys the proof here real quick. I always have trouble opening this up. It's bad today. Let's see if we've got a check here for myself. All right, we've got a few checks here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run inside because I gotta close this and I gotta carry this and it's kind of windy outside. So we'll talk to you guys in just a second, okay? All right guys, so we got the ClickBank check right here, as you can see. And we're gonna open this up right now and see how much it's for. Let's just rip that thing open. So you can see it's made out to myself right here. I have to blur this out. Don't want you guys to know my address, right? But the payment amount is for $3,830.23. And pretty awesome. This is my second ClickBank check. So check that out, you guys. You can see it's made out to me right here. You can see the amount over here. And I'm gonna go cash this baby, but before I do, if you guys haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm uploading videos on a daily basis showing you guys exactly how I'm building my online business from complete scratch. And within this video, I'm actually going to show you how I was able to earn this amount and receive a check for nearly $4,000. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump to my computer. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this step by step. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer. Alrighty guys, so let me break down this process to you step by step on how I made over $3,000, almost $4,000 from ClickBank. So the first thing that you want to do if you want to make money on the internet, you want to make money with ClickBank, is you need to choose a market, okay? And a lot of people, they'll go into markets they're super passionate about, but there's no money in that market. So you want to make sure that you go into a market that you are interested in, right? Whether money motivates you or whether a specific passion motivates you. You want to go into something that you're willing to learn about or something that you have an abundance of knowledge within, right? So the best thing that you can do is go for markets that have a lot of pain or that have a lot of pleasure involved, right? People are either moving away from pain or they're moving towards pleasure. So a perfect example of these markets would be health, wealth, love, and relationships, right? So after you've chosen a market, and in my instance, I'm in the wealth market, right? So I teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing, right? That's my primary market, is the wealth market, and then my niche is affiliate marketing, right? So in your case, you're gonna wanna choose a market, whether it's the health, wealth, love, or relationships market. And then once you pick one of those markets, now you want to pick a niche, right? Which is like basically a sub-market, right? So for example, if we're in the health market, we would pick a niche like the keto niche, right? Or the South Beach diet niche, or, the CrossFit niche. So that's number two, is to pick a niche. Now, after you pick a niche, now what you want to do is you want to create daily content that solves specific problems within that niche. So what I want you to do for the next 20 minutes to a half hour is to sit down and think about the plethora of different problems that people are dealing with in that specific niche. And then what you want to do is you want to create daily content around those specific problems. And you can do it in the form of Facebook posts, you can do it in the form of emails, you can do it in the form of video. I love video because video is highly leveraged, right? And so you'll notice that I'm putting out daily content on my YouTube channel every single day, solving problems in the affiliate marketing space, okay? So you wanna make sure that this content is unique, it's high quality, it's engaging, right? You're actually helping people have a breakthrough. One of my mentors said, if you wanna make more money, help more people solve a breakthrough, right? Help more people achieve a breakthrough and solve a specific problem, okay? And that's what I strive to do every single day. If I can help one person create a breakthrough in their business, create a transformation in their business, I'm gonna make more money. They're gonna make more money because they're solving that specific problem and they're going to pay me for that specific solution, okay? So that's the most important thing in this whole entire formula. If you're not constantly creating content, you're not going to win in this game. You're going to lose in this game, right? And so you'll notice the people that win in this industry are people that are putting themselves in front of their consumer, their ideal customer, right? And so make sure, whether you feel like you're great at videos, you feel like you're going to be great with the written word. Sometimes you won't know until you taste a few things and you try a few things. So make sure that you're going out there and you're attempting all these different ways that you could be creating content. Maybe the first few months is just experimenting, finding out, what you're good at, right? What you get a feel for. And you're not going to know that until you just dive in head first and just start tasting different things, start tasting different niches too, start tasting different traffic strategies and different platforms. That's the fastest way to success. But the problem is literally 99% of people, I've coached thousands of people in this industry, 99% of people, they don't take the first step. They don't take action. And the thing that's keeping you from success is not learning so much of this information that you're coming to this video for. It's the fact that you're not taking that first step. You're not taking action. You see, our brains are wired to learn and to continue to learn and to feel like we don't have the information we need to execute. And so what do? We continue to learn more. So if I can implore you guys to do one thing, that would be go out there and start creating daily content, solving problems, right? The more people that you help, the more money that you'll make. Don't worry about how you're going to monetize them. Don't worry about how you're going to make money, right? Until you've built an audience. Go out there and at least create 1,000 subscribers to your email list, or 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, or 1,000 followers on Facebook or Instagram. Once you do that, then you can start monetizing. Some people would say don't even start doing it until you've got at least 50,000 subscribers, right? So number 4 would be to, monetize that content with congruent products, right? So now you're the bridge. You're the bridge between the problem and the solution, right? So somebody types in, I need to lose 10 pounds in the next 2 weeks for my wedding, right? And so you're going to create a video around that, for example, hypothetically speaking, and you're going to give them, sort of a overview video about how they can solve these problems. You're not going to give them the specific details, because if you did that, your videos would be hours and hours and hours long. So you want to give them sort of an overview, help them, give them a few golden nuggets that will help them, at least, shed some of that weight, or even shed all of that weight. Because once they do that, they're still going to come back to you. If you help them achieve that result, they're going to want to come back to you for more, right? And so that's when you can actually start to give them a solution to whatever problem it is that they have. So typically what I'll do is, if it's somebody that's looking to build a business online, get into affiliate marketing like yourself, I'll give them content just like this, right? And then at the end of my video, I will offer the whole entire solution, right? Which is all the details of setting everything up, getting funnels set up, setting up autoresponder emails, what to write, how to write it, the science behind all that good stuff, right? And that's where we really go into all those details. So if you want access to that, then what you're going to want to do is click the link below in the description to get access to the same system that I've used to create over $4,000, or at least a $4,000 check from ClickBank, and consistently making $10,000 a month. If you want that solution, it's going to be in the description below. And so that would be a perfect example, you guys. What I just explained just now is an example of a call to action that you want to have at the end of your content. So you're bridging the gap between the problem, your content, and the solution, the affiliate product that you're selling on ClickBank, right? And ClickBank lists so many different products, right? I wouldn't worry about this too much until you've got content out there and you've got an audience. Once you create an audience, you can come over here, guys, and you can start to look at different products within your specific niche, right? So we've got, for example, if we're in the relationships niche, I believe if we go to self-help, you're going to see some products within the relationship niche. And you can see that this is how much you're going to make right under this average dollar per sell. This is how much you would make on average every time you sold this product, $33.08 on average, right? And you can see that you get 75% commissions, right? Most people are getting started on Amazon. They're getting started on these CPA networks. They're getting started by promoting these very low ticket products where you get low commissions, right? And so once you start getting some experience and making some money and making money on ClickBank, because this is where I got started, then you can graduate into high ticket stuff. That's where you start making the big money. We're talking $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 days potentially that you could be making, right? So make sure that you kind of get your feet wet. You browse around, ClickBank, and you look at some different products within your specific niche and within your specific market, and just keep those products in the back of your mind. And once you decide to start promoting a product, what you want to do is you want to create an automated sales funnel, an email follow-up series that sells that product for you. So an example in this video, this link right here actually goes to an automated sales funnel that I created myself with this software called ClickFunnels, right? That's what this is right here. Okay, I've used this for the past 3 years or so, and I've got many, many funnels that run my whole entire business. This is where the automation comes into play, where you can make money while you sleep, you can make money while you're traveling, while you're at the movies, while you're at the mall, while you're with your family, your friends. It's because of an automated funnel, okay? That's really a large percentage of your success when it comes to making money online. Now, I don't expect you to do that right now to be able to create a funnel, but if you'd like to know the anatomy of an online business and how a sales funnel works and how follow-up emails work, I'm going to include a link in the description that shows you how to do that. I just created a video about that, and you'll get access to that in the description below. So with that said, those are the 5 steps to making money on ClickBank, and that's exactly how I was able to make, nearly $4,000, receive a $4,000 check from ClickBank. And if you guys would like access to this whole entire formula in complete depth, right, and learn from the same training that I learned from to create this result, there's a link in the description. It's my top recommended system. It's going to be in the description. It's going to look something like this, right? Go ahead and click that, and we'll see you on the next page. You'll go ahead and enter your name and email address. You'll get instant access to this information. So if you got value from this, click the thumbs up button. Go ahead and like this video and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is Josh Elder signing off. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.